Idealistic Physics 3. Morphogenetic fields. Morphogenetic fields are fields of form. There are morphogenetic fields at all length and complexity scales in nature, from the subatomic to the universal. Specifically, there are morphogenetic fields for the Earth and biology at large. Morphogenetic fields are fields of frequencies of consciousness. The frequencies of consciousness of the morphogenetic fields can vibrate at high or low frequencies. High frequencies are frequencies close to source, and low frequencies are frequencies far away from source. High frequencies of the morphogenetic field of biology create harmony and good cell replication and lack of cancer, while low frequencies create the opposite. The same can be said with the morphogenetic field of the Earth, where high frequencies create harmony and low frequencies create natural disasters and such. Morphogenetic fields can be engineered using electromagnetic frequencies and bioelectricity as described by Michael Levin. I envision a morphological field theory of nature, where the form in nature at all length scales is described by these morphological fields of form, which are fields of frequencies of consciousness. Modal harmonics of experience. The modal harmonics of experience are the modal harmonics on a vibrating string in string theory. String theory, if it is to have any success, must be interpreted idealistically. By the idealistic Fourier series, a unique discrete superposition of the modal harmonics of experience create a continuous unique frequency of consciousness. Changing the superposition of the modal harmonics of experience creates a change in frequency of consciousness, and this is how we engineer technology to transform one frequency of consciousness into another, the philosopher's stone, technology that could potentially end world hunger and other major problems our civilization faces. Cycles. Cycles are a broad topic and encompass many areas of physics. A cycle is an oscillation of changing frequencies of consciousness. An oscillation in the superposition in the modal harmonics of experience creates an oscillation of changing frequencies of consciousness, which is a cycle. Cycles extend from the life cycle of a star to the heartbeat to the breath to the water cycle to the precession of the equinoxes to the seasons, and many, many other examples of cycles. You engineer a cycle when you form a habit, as habits are cycles of consciousness. Rupert Sheldrake says that the laws of physics are more like habits, which are cycles. The dynamics of cycles is a major part of my work, and I believe it is how idealistic physics models change in nature. To zoom in on the example of the life cycle of a star, the materialistic explanation of the changing equilibrium of forces of gravity and fusion pressure is not as accurate as to say that changing superposition of the modal harmonics of experience, causing a changing frequency of consciousness, causes the phase transition of the supernova. Why do similar frequencies of consciousness vibrate in resonance? Similar frequencies of consciousness vibrate in resonance because similar frequencies of consciousness have similar phases. Similar phases constructively interfere, and so there is coherence, and such the similar frequencies of consciousness vibrate in resonance, and such resonantly attract each other.